Hello, we are going to be correcting your worksheet that you just worked on. So on this worksheet, we have 6 problems to do. The first 3 are graphing. All right, so the first thing we're going to do for number 1 is graph this ordered pair 1, 0. Remember, this is x and this is y. So this is our x-axis. So we go 1 and then 0 in the direction of y. So we have this point right here. And our slope is 1. So remember, to help us out, we oftentimes put a 1 underneath. And both numbers are positive, so we're going to go up and to the right, up and to the right, up and to the right. And then we're going to connect them and make sure you put arrows on the end. All right, number 2, we have the ordered pair 3, 1. Remember, this is x and this is y. So this is x. So in the direction of x, we go 1, 2, 3, and then up 1 to get this point. Now, when we just have a whole number like -1, we need to put a 1 underneath it to help us get that ratio for counting out slope. So because it's -1, I'm going to go up 1 and to the left 1. Now, some of you say, well, because that's a 1, we're going to go -1 and then to the right. Connect them and put arrows on the end. Number 3, we have the ordered pair -4, -2. So in the direction of x-axis, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down 2 to get this point. And again, we have a -2. It's just not written as a fraction. So this -2 means we're going to go down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. Or if you're like me, you always like to go up, and because it's negative, I'm going to go left 1. All right, the next 3 problems that we have are writing things in point-slope form. So writing something in point-slope form, remember it's y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. That is your point-slope form. So we're going to start with the y. And the y value in this ordered pair is a -6. And because we see a -6, we are going to write +6. And then 1/5. And we have x. And because we see a +2, we write -2. All right. Number 5, y minus 5 equals -4. And x minus 1. And number 6, we have y plus 7, 0, and x minus 3. This looks like a +3, so we write a -3 in the point-slope equation form. All right, that should do it.